second video we want to try the vacuum, right? You gotta have a little patience. This thing is awesome, and it goes everywhere, and it's so good. Slowly, just push it down a little bit, force a little bit, so you know the brush, it takes everything. You see that? Everything. Look how nice. not even $40, and now it's $22 less. Because the original price on that thing is 44 something, which is still good money. Still, it's a budget. Look, right? See that? Really work. Really. So listen, don't waste your time for the $100 worthless, little tiny high-tech things, because I don't think it's gonna work. For the last year, 2020, I bought like 4 different vacuums, and all of them are expensive, okay? None of them were good. 3 of them is on the garbage can, and the 2 of them, 5, okay? The 2 of them, I went through hell to get my money back, so never again. Still, you see? Everything. Look. I want you to see that. Look. See that? Sucks everything. It's an amazing product. And to be honest with you, I wasn't gonna buy it because it looked like a toy. The plastic quality, I mean, it looks like bad, but look. You can put back in everything. Short about my video because I gotta hold my phone like always and show you how that thing works. It locks really quickly and it's good. You can clean it that easy. This is an amazing product. I really want you to try that. This works. Amazon has it. Deal of the day, it's $22 today. I don't know when it's gonna, how long it's gonna last, but it's really good. I'm so happy with it. I can't stop saying that this thing is amazing. That never again I will buy something fancy with $100, Black Ticket or whatever. This is amazing. I'm sorry about the other companies that make vacuums, but this is something out of the world for both of my cars. It's an excellent product. Just take a look at it. You're not gonna disappoint yourself. Okay, you have a great day. Stay safe, you and your families. Thank you for watching. And by this is worx. Bye.